Hello everyone. Here is the part 4 of chapter 2 of class 7th. We have learnt in our previous videos of part 3 and part 2. We have learnt about the digestion in humans, in which we have learnt the first step, that is mouth. We take in the food through the mouth, and after that esophagus, that is the second step of digestion. From the mouth the food is pushed down into the next organ called the food pipe. This is the food pipe, or we can say esophagus. And after that we also have learned the stomach, about the stomach. This is stomach. From the esophagus the food reaches the stomach. We have learnt about it. And now we also have learned that other portion of the stomach gets open into the small intestine. Small intestine is this, you can see it is a coil like structures. This is small intestine and this is large intestine. Okay, this brownish part is large intestine and this yellowish part is small intestine. So let's get start. Students, in the stomach the food gets partially digested. It is not completely digested here, we have learned in our previous videos. The final and complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Okay, the food is here, it is partially digested, and the full digestion will be held in the small intestine. So let's get start about the small intestine. It is the most important part where digestion of food gets completed. Small intestine is the completed. Small intestine is the longest part of the alimentary canal. It is approximately 6 meter in length. Right? It is the longest part and it is approximately 6 meter in length. You have seen in this diagram small intestine, this. Okay, and is arranged in coils. Digestive juices from the liver and pancreas reaches the small intestine, which help in digesting the semi-digested food received from the stomach. We also have learned that some digestive juices releases from the pancreas that reaches in the small intestine, and that juices helps to digest the semi-digested food that is in the stomach, that is comes from the stomach. Semi-digested food means आधा digest हुआ food received from the stomach. The muscles present in small intestine mix the food. The muscles, you can see in this diagram, the muscles present in the small intestine helps to mix the food. Okay, here liver. Students, first of all I would like to tell you that it is the liver, it is the pancreas. Okay, and that small part, that balloon like structure in the between of the liver, that is gall bladder. Okay, so we discussed about this in this video, gallbladder, liver and pancreas. Liver is a gland present on the right side of the upper abdomen. Right side of the upper abdomen, as you can see, it is reddish brown in color and secretes wild juices. Wild juices means it releases some acids. It is the largest gland in the body. It is the largest gland in the body. Wild juices secreted from the liver is stored in sac called gallbladder. Wild juices that is present in the liver, that secreted some juices, and that juices stored in the gallbladder. Stored in the gallbladder here. Bile helps in digesting fats by breaking them down into tiny particles. The digestive juices then further break these particles, then fatty acids and glycerol. This process is called emulsification. Students, bile helps to digest the fats by breaking them into the tiny particles, and then some digestive juices or chemicals that further break these particles into fatty acids and glycerol, and this process to convert the fatty acids and glycerols from the digestive particles, that is the emulsification. The breakdown of fats with the help of bile, and further it breaks into fatty acids and glycerol with the help of digestive juices. This process is called emulsification. Now, pancreas. Pancreas is a gland located below the stomach, as you can see in the diagram. Pancreas, in this diagram, pancreas located below the stomach. This is the stomach. Pancreas is here. You can see pancreas here, a very small organ. Pancreas is a gland located below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juices and releases into the small intestine. Pancreatic juices break down starch into simpler sugars and proteins into simpler compounds called amino acids. But the work of pancreas here, pancreas is a gland located below the stomach. Okay, it secretes pancreatic juices and releases into small intestine. Pancreatic juices released by the pancreas, and it releases into the small intestine. Okay, these juices, what's the work of these juices? These juices or these acids break down starch. Starch means that digestive food, into the simple sugars and proteins into simpler कंपाउंड. स्टार्च को सिंपल शुगर्स में कन्वर्ट करता है एंड प्रोटीन को इनटू सिंपलर कंपाउंड्स कॉल्ड द अमीनो एसिड. These simple sugars and simple compounds called the amino acid. This is the work of the pancreas here, and liver and the small intestine. So the complete digestion, the final and the complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Got it? The next step will learn in our next video. The assignment I have given below. Thank you.